we make love and always just say goodnight. And we could, oh sure, do love it, but I need you.
You could do it vanish. If you got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah, if I'm worth more than you could manage, yeah. Open with me, oh, we could be honest. Close to me, oh, giving me silence. Promise that you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, loving me right, giving me light all night. You could be telling me lies, making me cry, wasting my time the whole time. So just be careful what you take for granted.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So as you can tell by the title of today's video, this is going to be a maintenance vlog. I know I look weird. I couldn't finish my braids yesterday because when I went I had to start with my nails and my toes and all that, so I didn't finish my braids yesterday. We had to stop around 8:39, so I'm going to be continuing that today. My maintenance vlog is pretty much very basic. I just do my nails, which I hardly do. You guys know that I do my nails on my own. The reason why this time I decided to go and do it in the salon is because I just wanted to try something new, and I wanted the French tip nails. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's not bad. I kind of like it. So yeah, I'm done with my nails. I did a pedicure. I'm going to be done with my hair today, and then we go and do a little bit of shopping before I do my skincare, and that's pretty much it for my maintenance vlog, guys. Nothing too much. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Anyways, I'm not really going to be talking much. I just want you guys to feel the vibes, you know. So yeah, later guys.
There's a silence we hold between us, and I know it's because of me. And you act.
Let's talk about the hair.
I believe I can fly.
But yeah, can someone tell me why things are so expensive? Like today, guys, that's part of the reasons why I couldn't film with you guys, because I didn't really get anything at the end of the day. Like I just couldn't fathom the prices of certain things. Like but yeah, let me just show you guys. It's really not a lot, just a few things, trust me. Let me just show you guys real quick. Yo, when I tell you these are the only things I got, I'm serious. I'm dead serious. I didn't even get everything I wanted. First of all, one, because of the price. Two, some of them were like sold out, so they've not been restocked yet. But I got vitamin C plus zinc. I've been wanting this flavors for so long, guys. It's so hard to get. The black currant flavor, I've been wanting this because like orange doesn't sit well with me, so the orange flavor for vitamin C. And then I got heavy insecticide spray. If you're in Ghana, you know the reason why I got this. And we all know that these mosquitoes, no matter how much you spray, it looks like this is even their food. I still needed it because, guys, like mosquitoes are too much nowadays. I just can't. And then I got some non-dairy creamer, guys. This, you guys know that I'm lactose intolerant, so like when I tried this the first time, I wanted to, you know, the kind of milk that I want is very hard to get. I like coconut milk, which I make on my own, but I can't be doing it like every single day. It's a process and you can't store it for like a long time, so it's a lot of work. So maybe once in a while when I want to, do coconut milk, I'll do it on my own. But then like I wanted something I can do on the go, like maybe when I'm in a rush or something. All you need is hot water. It's not even hot, like warm water, and it will mix very well. So when I went to Mr. Price, I was tempted a lot because like I saw so many things that I wanted, and I want to reinvent my wardrobe, and I saw so many things, but like fried, my head is even aching. I got some other things, but I won't show you because people are watching. My mom, my boyfriend, they will come for me. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good morning, y'all. So typically for my skincare, I'll use this Plush Skin turmeric powder, but then because I'm going to be shaving, I'm not going to be using any mask. I normally use this mask, but I'm not going to be using that. Instead, I'll be using a scrub, just sugar and honey for my face today, because after shaving your skin becomes quite sensitive. So I normally use this or this exfoliating the ordinary peeling solution is an exfoliating solution, and I normally use that, but they are all kind of harsh. It can be a bit harsh when your skin is kind of sensitive. So I'm just going to be using this to shave my face, and then after that I'll just use sugar and honey.
No more than emotionally invested, showing you all my imperfections. If I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah, if I'm worth more than you could manage. Yeah, hope it with me, oh we could be honest. Closer to me, oh giving me solace. Promise that you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life, all that you could be. Telling me lies, making me cry, wasting my time the whole time, so just be careful what you take for granted. Yeah, 'cause with me, you could do damage. You could do damage. You do damage. Yeah, you do damage. You do damage. Yeah. Worry about it I let you. No, we ain't doing this just for pleasure. Either love me or I'm a lesson. No, if you want me, you take me for granted. Yeah, if so much more than you could manage, baby. Oh, you're falling for me. Oh, baby, I caught it. Oh, we could be whatever you want, call it. Promise that you won't let me fall.
Alright guys, so this pretty much brings me to the end of this video. I hope this video kind of showed you guys that you can actually take care of yourself in the most simplest way ever. You don't have to do anything expensive or anything too much. If you have the funds and the ability to do the bougie stuff, fine, that's totally fine. But to those of us who, you know, aren't there yet, this is the simplest way you can kind of take care of yourself. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please like the video if you actually liked it, because it pushes my video so that other people can see this video. So please like this video and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.